Good morning, John.
Good morning, Mary. Are you ready for your blood test?
I don't feel very well.
What's wrong? Do you feel sick?
No, I'm scared of needles.
Oh, I understand. Many people are scared of needles.
Really?
Yes, really. It's very common. But don't worry, I'll help you.
How?
First, sit down here. That's good.
Okay.
Now, take a deep breath in and out.
In and out.
Perfect. Now, look at the wall. Don't look at your arm.
I don't want to see the needle.
You won't see it. Just look at the wall and breathe.
Okay, I'm looking at the wall.
Good. Now you'll feel a small pinch. It's very quick.
I'm scared, John.
I know, but you're doing great. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, is it done?
Yes, all done. See, it was fast.
Wow, I didn't feel much pain.
You were very brave, Mary.
Thank you for helping me, John.
You're welcome. Here's a bandage. You can go now.
That wasn't so bad after all.